And you may want to turn around and have a major event once per year that you have a blowout sale, and say, for example, it might be a no tax install, or you're going to give away some services with the tire purchase. If it was in the winter tire market, you may offer free storage. You've got some sort of a program that you're going to advertise and you're going to give to the customer. The manufacturers and the distributors will oftentimes allow you to accrue a percentage of your sales into a special fund that you can apply to advertising. Okay, this is a very it's highly directed on how they want you to do it. They'll say, okay, you've got to advertise with our brand. Okay, if you're a Goodyear, you've got to put Goodyear in the ad, and Goodyear has to take up so much of the ad. You have to do this and this and this, but we'll pay for half of the advertising using that co-op fund. And it's another way of being able to get more money out of the tire company.